My mitre saw liked a lot of current, especially when it was starting up. I bought a soft start from Amazon. That broke almost immediately. Not only was it a soft start, it was a no start. So I bought another soft start, a cheaper one, from Alibaba. I should say here that you shouldn't do this unless you know what you're doing. Electricity is very dangerous, especially at 230 volts. Just make sure you unplug. This is a Scheppach Mitre Saw, but I imagine on a lot of mitre saws it's going to be pretty much the same setup, especially the cheaper brands like this one. Just remember to pick up the switch button for the laser. Don't buy these spade connectors from your local big box store. Went to electrical suppliers. Most big towns have them, and they're usually cheaper. Just connecting this in between the switch and the motor. Trying to work out how I'm going to put it in discreetly. I decide that it can go underneath. Put some electrical insulation tape around all the joints. Bit of belt and braces really, but never can be too safe for electricity. I discovered that a wire had come out from that yellow capacitor. Once I sorted that out, I routed it sort of underneath and around like that, and then put the switch in. Making sure I get it in the right way. Sorry I'm blocking the view with my scarred hand. So here I am checking that the switch can operate properly without being interfered with in any way, shape or form. And yeah, I decide it can't. I can't really go around the front, there's bits of plastic in the way. So put the switch back in after taking all the wiring out. Make sure the switch works properly. So in the end I decided that the wiring should go over the top and the soft start should stand on its side rather than flat. There's plenty of room for it. Now just put it all back together. Make sure it fits nicely. The laser switch button I've taped in place just to make sure it stays there when I put everything back. It's not as snug as I'd like it to be, but it's pretty good. Put everything back. So this is not only a soft start, it's a very slow start. It's a bit annoying. I think I can put up with it rather than having to go and flick the circuit breaker every 5th or 6th time that I forget to switch off the vacuum cleaner or the heater. And now for a test cut.